The Adaptive Cruise Control feature helps avoid leg fatigue when driving long distances and provides the convenience of automatically monitoring the distance between your vehicle and vehicles ahead. The Adaptive Cruise Control stalk is ergonomically located at your fingertips on the left side of the steering wheel. The default position is off, with the stalk pushed fully away from you. To engage the Adaptive Cruise Control function, pull the stalk toward you to the first detent position. The set speed must be at least 15 miles per hour. However, if you press the Set button at speeds less than the minimum setting, and if there is no vehicle in front of you, the vehicle will accelerate automatically up to the minimum speed. To set your Adaptive Cruise Control, drive at the desired speed and press the Set button at the end of the stalk. To cancel the set speed, you can either tap the brake lightly or gently push the stalk away from you, but not to the off position. The stalk will return to the on position, but the cruise function will be canceled. To resume your set speed, pull the stalk toward you once and release. Once your speed is set, you can increase or decrease your speed in 1 mile per hour increments by simply tapping the stalk up or down briefly. You may also push the stalk up or down to the second detent position to increase your speed in 5 mile per hour increments, or hold it in the farthest position for continuous acceleration or deceleration. Adaptive Cruise Control will automatically maintain a set distance between you and the vehicle in front of you. When you turn the system on, the Adaptive Cruise Control standby icon will appear in the instrument cluster. Once you have a speed selected, you can set a variable distance maintained from the vehicle in front of you based on your current speed. Adjusting the distance switch on the front of the stalk regulates the distance. There are 5 preset distance settings, with 1 being the closest setting and 5 being the furthest. The distance is relative and will increase or decrease based on your speed. Each time you turn on the ignition, the system defaults to distance 3. Additionally, in the MMI, you can opt for the distance being stored for the next time you start the vehicle. When a slower moving vehicle is encountered in front of you, the Adaptive Cruise Control system automatically slows down to match that vehicle's speed and then maintains the distance that you have set. When the vehicle ahead is no longer present, the Adaptive Cruise Control will accelerate back to your stored speed. You can adjust the distance setting while driving to accommodate changes in overall traffic, speed, and your comfort level. In stop-and-go traffic, if a vehicle ahead stops, your vehicle will brake automatically and stay at a stop within the limits of the system, provided you are not actively using the accelerator. As long as the message "Ready to Drive" appears in the display, when the vehicle ahead begins moving, your vehicle will move forward, providing your foot is not on the brake and your vehicle has not been stationary for approximately 3 seconds. To reactivate Ready to Drive, pull the lever toward you and release. You should be aware that the system may not detect objects such as motorcycles, vehicles with a high ground clearance, or an overhanging load, so it's important to always be aware of the traffic in front of you. Adaptive Cruise Control is an advanced feature with a certain degree of complexity. We recommend reading your owner's manual to take full advantage of its capabilities. Utilizing the Adaptive Cruise Control on your Audi can make your driving experience more pleasant. Understanding how the feature works will help you get the most from your vehicle.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter. Spend less. Unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech Stay Ahead.